Hi, and welcome to another episode of Aesop's E-Lessons. Today we take a look at the oxymoron. So the question is, what is an oxymoron? It is a figure of speech where two words with opposite meanings appear next to each other to create an effect. So for example, there was a deafening silence when she appeared. And here we see the two opposing ideas are joined to suggest that the silence was loud. So this figure of speech helps to make descriptions more effective. The word oxymoron is actually an oxymoron itself because oxy comes from the Greek word sharp, whereas moron comes from the Greek word meaning dull. So we see that these are two contrasting terms put side by side. If we look at a few more examples, an open secret, organized chaos, random order, or from Romeo and Juliet, we see parting is such sweet sorrow that I shall say good night till it be morrow. And in all these examples, we can see how these contrasting terms are placed side by side to create an effective description. Shakespeare makes use of oxymorons in Romeo and Juliet. We see when Romeo describes love, he uses multiple oxymorons to show his frustration with love, to show that love is meant to make one happy, but Romeo is miserable. Or when Juliet discovers that Romeo killed Tybalt, Shakespeare makes use of oxymorons to show how she's torn between the love for her cousin and the love for her husband. She loves Romeo, but she feels as though she has been deceived by him. Here are a few examples. Let's see if you can identify and explain the purpose of the oxymoron in each sentence. In question 1, we see the oxymoron is bittersweet, suggesting that it is simultaneously a good and bad experience. In number 2, a working vacation suggests that she will be spending time relaxing as well as working. In number 3, freezer burn is the oxymoron because freezer is usually something very cold, whereas a burn is something that happens with heat. In number 4, loyal opposition is the oxymoron because loyal suggests friendship, whereas opposition suggests rivalry. And in number 5, the oxymoron is terribly good because terrible has negative connotations, whereas good is positive. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share.